So in this video we will learn how to set up or install the code deploy agent on EC2 instance. So I already logged into my EC2 instance with SSH credential, and now I'm going to first download the code deploy agent install file and then give some permission, and then it will be run. Okay, so here, so before download this install file, please download Ruby and wget, and give me a moment. Here, this is the link. You can find this link in the video description and download this file. I already installed and configured the code agent on my EC2 instance, so I don't need to download and or install this file. Okay, after download the file, you can see one install file. Give a chmod plus x, this option, plus x and install. So this command give an executor permission to this install file, and run this file like this. Okay. After giving the permission, please type dot slash install auto. Okay, and hit the enter, and you will see the code agent install, the code deploy agent will be installing. Now almost done the EC2 part. Now if you are planning to launch an website, or if you working with a web application, then as we know that all the web application file, it's located to the var, under the var www and html, right? Here we actually put our web application file and call the index.html, and then you can see the index file. So please go to this directory. Okay, now create a repository on your Bitbucket, and then use git pull. Okay, now you need to configure the git. If you know how to configure git, then it's good. And please configure the git. I'm not showing how to configure the git on a local machine. Okay, because it's already configured. You can find how to configure git on any local machine if you know the git, how to use git. So that's good. So the thing is, you need to pull all the file from your repository, and then go to your repository, please. Okay, here on Bitbucket, please search for AWS code deploy Bitbucket pipeline Python, or maybe you can search AWS code deploy Bitbucket pipeline. Okay, after that you can find it's already uh, repository is exist on your account or on your Bitbucket account, and go to this repository, and you can find some files here. So download all this file and put on your EC2 instance, and then update this your web application directory, so that this all this file will be saved on your personal repository, on your web application repository. So this all file is necessary, or you can remove this index.html, because you are already using one index.html file for your application, so you can remove this file. And another thing, you need to change on this appsec.yml file. Please remove this one index.html. Okay, So that's it. That what you need to do. I mean, what you have to do, and also restart code agent service. Okay. So part 2 is complete. Now please click on part 3 so you can see how to configure code deploy and code pipeline or on AWS console. Thank you.